Welcome back to day 8 to 200 days series. Today we will learn about comparison operator in Python. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. The result of comparison is always either true or false. The output is always came to the result shows always came to true or false. It's only Boolean values. Let's look at the different comparison operators in Python. Basically, let is equal to let's check let's check if two values are equal. What is the point? When a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, 10. So we will print here a is equal to a, a equal to b. So the answer is 10 equal to 10. The answer is true because both values are same. Look at this. We will check it here. The answer is true. And we will check some different type like we are like here 1. And now this is false because 1 is not equal to, sorry, 10 is not equal to 1. That's why this is false now. Like this. You can check here like this. Okay. I can just go to. Now you should try. You can try by your own self like C is equal to D. This is also same false. Try the false. Then we will go to not equal to. Check if two values are equal to. Not equal to. When check when if two values are not equal to 10 and 5 is not equal to, this is a true. When the 10 10 is not equal to 10, it is a false. Let's check it here. Print like 10 is uh, just a second. We will provide variables. We are writing here e equal to 3 and f equal to 4. Now we will check e is not equal to f. This is the value is for 2 control slash y. 3 is not equal to 4. So this is the correct. When 3 is equal to 4, this is a false. But if in the case of not equal to, we will using 3 is not equal to 4, not equal when we use a not operator, so it is true because we are declaring here not equal to values. That's why this is true. So okay, we will check some other tricks like when c equal to 3 and d equal to 3 and print c is not equal to d. So this is a false. Why? Because c is not equal to c 3 is not equal to 3. So both values are same. That's why this is false. Because not equal to denoting different values. It's not represent the same values. You are using like this. Now we will check greater than values in our comparison operator like this. We are using here print A equal to 20 and B equal to 10. So we will check here greater, greater than. So A is greater than B. Basically, 20 is a greater than 10. So you can check here also. Okay. We're using comment. Then 20 is a greater than 10. So it is true. Now we will check here. Look at this. This is true. Now we will check less than operator. If two values are greater than, like A is greater than B, and also now we will check less than, sorry. Then we will here write A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. So print A less than 20. I mean B, sorry. So we will check here, like 10 is less than 20. This is less than 10 is less than 20. So this is true. Okay. So we will check here. This is less than operator. Then this is true. Okay. And what is 10? 10 is operand. And I forget to explain this. That's why I'm explaining here. And this greater than or this less than value is operator. Operator. Okay. Now we will go to greater than equal to. Let's check here. Like we are using two variables A and B. First of all, we are checking 18. B equal to 18. Is it either true or false? We will check here. Print A is greater than equal to B. Like 18 is greater than equal to 18. I think basically it's a true because 18 is greater than equal to 18. Like if 18 is greater than or equal to 18. So like we can say if 18 or greater than 18, like 18, 19, 20, 21, like so on in a greater values. So then it is true. So this value is true. Now comment. Now we will check here. Now it's true. It's a greater than value, greater than equal to. It's true now. You use by yourself. You try by yourself. You can try yourself also. Now we can use less than operator, less than equal to operator. Now we will check here. Print, like we are using here 10 is less than equal to 15. So it's correct or not? This is true. Why it's true? Because 10 is less than or equal to 15. Because it say 10 is less than, because basically if less than 10 or less than like 9, 8, 7, 6, exactly like this, or equal to 15. That was the answer. That's why it's correct. Okay. Now we will try some practice questions. Let's start. a program to check whether a person is eligible to vote or not. Old or above. Like if the age is greater than or equal to 18, the program returns true. This means the person is eligible to vote. Otherwise, it's a fail. Like it should return to false. It should return false. Like we are writing here age equal to 18 and like 20. So basically, it's greater than 18. So we have print here print age is greater than equal to 18. So what is the output? I think output is true because we are writing here 20 is greater than 18. So 20 because 20 is a greater. Basically, if it is a 18 or greater than 18, like 19, 20, 21, 22, so on. So we will check here. Now it's true. The voting eligibility. The voting eligibility. Now we will check here. Okay. The voting eligibility is true. If we are 10-year old, so what is it? The voting eligibility is false because why it's true and false? 70 is a greater than 18, the person is eligible to vote. If 20 is if 10 is a less than 18, the person is not eligible for the vote. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.